11 has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, western County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin, southern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:13 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles north of Elkhorn, moving southeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Muskego, Elkhorn, Delavan, Lake Geneva, Muckwonago, East Troy, Williams Bay, Wind Lake, Rochester, Walworth, Clinton, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Sharon, Darien, Browns Lake, Potter Lake, Bonners Lake, Waterford North, and Como. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the NOAA Weather Radio KEC